Nella popped out a couple minutes ago to play with me. Just right up over the over the bed. And ow! Got a bit of claw there. Anyway, she's really distracted because after playing with me for a while, she discovered a little bit of food I had nearby. And she wants it. That's what she's after. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. 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 Anyways, I'm gonna get a Kinox up here for a minute. Play with these two for a minute. Alright. Seems that Nala is trying to pick up the last of my cereal. I had some Special K cereal with strawberries. And pretty much had all of it. But, yeah. I'm gonna have to try to prevent that from happening next time. Really? Had to go after the spoon too, huh? I have neighbors. It's probably not sure if it can be picked up over the radio right now. I mean the speaker. But yeah, you're a little noisy sometimes. Hmm. Well, it seems they're still pretty fond of hiding places. But they're coming along. pretty soon I hope to get Aquino jumping out to see me whenever he wants to. And I guess some toys in the mix. I don't have any toys for them right now. So they'll look coming out more and more as time goes by. So oh. Hey Noah. Oh, I got a message.